Hi everyone, welcome back to Cybersecurity 101 with Matt Kurtz, the go-to spot for beginners in cybersec. Today, we're diving into the top 5 cybersecurity tips for beginners, updated for 2025.
I'm watching you. Please proceed.
Whether you're just getting started setting up that home network or worried about online scams, these cybersecurity basics will protect you from the most common threats. Let's jump in, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to outsmart those hackers. Coming in at number 1, stop using the same password everywhere. One leaked password can give hackers access to everything, your email, bank, even your Netflix. Use a password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password to create strong, unique passwords for every site. These tools are lifesavers, even if you have to spend a little bit of money. Turn on that two-factor authentication, also called 2FA or MFA. Even if someone steals your password, 2FA stops them cold, unless they have your device. Use apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or built-in apps like Microsoft Authenticator. This is one of the easiest ways to add a second layer of protection.
On point. Doing good.
Next up, phishing attacks. Yep. Those fake emails or texts pretending to be Amazon, PayPal, or even your boss. They try to trick you into clicking links and giving up those passwords. Always check the sender's email address. And hey, when in doubt, throw it out. Take some cybersecurity awareness training to up your game.
Remind them of your 7 red flags video.
Hackers love outdated software. So tip number 4, update your apps, your browsers, your operating systems regularly. Set your devices to automatically update. Those annoying updates, they patch the holes that the hackers crawl through.
Oh. Don't forget to tell them to back up their data.
And finally, public Wi-Fi is not safe, even if it's password protected. If you're at that coffee shop, airport, or out of country, use a VPN, a virtual private network, to encrypt your traffic. Quick recap. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, watch out for phishing, keep things updated, stay safe on public Wi-Fi. Oh, and back up that data. Which tip did you like best? Let me know in the comments. Like if you learned something today, and subscribe for more security for beginners.